So lately, I've seen a lot of these round pedestal tables popping up online, and they seem to be pretty popular. The price tag is pretty high, so I thought there could be some room for some profit. So then I looked on Facebook and I ended up finding this pedestal table, which looked like it was from an old office space, and thought, hey, let's do something with this. So I messaged the seller, and lo and behold, picked it up. And yeah, it's a pretty basic table. They used it for conferences or whatever, but I figured, hey, we can do something with this, and thought we could try doing a table hack and make it look like one of the ones we saw online. It's honestly one of the easiest hacks I've ever done. It sold really quickly. You just need to find yourself a pedestal table with a round base, and you're all set. So if you're ready to go, let's hit it.